Cosby, did you burp? Did you burp? You quit burping. You quit burping. Don't you burp. Don't you burp. Cosby! 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 Quit burping. You quit burping. You quit that.
Give Dad your cracker.
Can I have your cracker?
Oh.
Can I see your cracker? Yeah, Cosby! Here, let me have it. Thank you. Cosby! Can I have it? Here, let me see. Give it to me. Thank you. Cosby! Can I have it? Give it to me. Cosby! You tricked me.
What other kind of tricks can you do for us? Huh? Hey, burping? That's the only trick you can do? Oh! Really? Can you show us how you can feed yourself with a spoon? Huh? Can you feed yourself with a spoon? Feed yourself. Give yourself a bite. Use a spoon. Oh.
Take a bite of your soup. Want a bite of your soup? You quit that. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Cosby!
Tell Belle. Say, Belle, stop. Tell her.
Belle?
Tell her. And no barking.
Hands.
You dirty.
Dirty baby.
Oh. Can you get a bite with your spoon? Huh?
It's not a bad night. Oh, yeah.
Hey, can you wave bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Remember you used to do that when you were like 6 months old?
Bye-bye. Do a big spoon bite.
Nah, Mom, I forget.
All right.